Did you know that in the 1980s, entire villages in Laos and Cambodia were wiped out by mysterious yellow powder falling from the sky? Survivors described planes dropping this strange substance that made people vomit blood and die from internal bleeding within hours. Witnesses called it yellow rain. The Soviet Union was blamed for using deadly chemical weapons on innocent families. But decades later, scientists discovered something shocking. The yellow powder might have been bee waste mixed with natural toxins. To this day, nobody knows the real truth about what killed thousands of people.